नमस्ते एवरीवन। सबसे पहले तो आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक राजमाता अहिल्या योग केंद्र जिन्होंने मुझे ये अपॉर्चुनिटी दी सो दैट आई हैव केम टू यू एंड आई एम प्रेजेंटिंग समथिंग इन बिफोर यू। नमस्ते एवरीवन, आई एम हनी चिमनानी, a nature lover, masters in yoga, in my quest to find out a natural effective way to detoxify body and mind, discovered the merits of yoga. This started my journey to learn yoga in an authentic way. So today I am going to present a session in which you can ease out your pelvic floor, your hip, your sacral area, abdomen muscles, varicose problems, spinal disorders and all the pains which occur in your body while doing yoga asanas. So let's start our session. First you have to sit comfortably in any of these sukhasana, but it should be a meditative pose, keeping your spine straight, chest expanded, your shoulders, elbow relaxed. Just check your abdomen, your spinal cord. Just relax. Few long breaths. Just stay with yourself. Just focus on your deep inhalation and long exhalation. Relax your facial muscles, your each and every body part. Even if you feel some pain, stiffness in any of your body part, mentally relax it. Send some energy there so that that area can be healed and become healthy. At the same time, let your body be still like a rock. Keep firmness in your body. When the body's stillness is maintained, internalize your awareness and focus on your breath. Presence of breath in your body. Watch the body move up and down with every breath and just feel that your body is feeling vitalized with every breath. Your body is comfortable with every breath. Now just visualize at your eyebrow center, in your Bhru Madhya, visualize a candle light there, a divine flow of light that is burning bright, giving energy to your each and every body part. Just keep focusing at that candle light in your eyebrow center. Take a deep breath in and start chanting Om. Coming to practice. Place them on your eyes and let your eye absorb all the vitality from your palms and come back. So, We will start our practice of yoga with some meditative pose, either in Vajrasana, Padmasana or any selective position, so that your spine is straight. And while your spine is straight, we will start with the pranayama practice, all the respiratory exercises. I will show you a very small bit of it because we don't have that much of time to explain each and everything, but I'll make sure to let you know everything which is possible. And now just sit in comfortable position. Now we are going to start with this. Now your one hand on your chest, one hand on your abdomen, keeping your spine straight, chest expanded, and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. ब्रीद इन करते वक्त आपको देखना है कि आपका चेस्ट कितना एक्सपैंड हो रहा है और आपका एब्डोमेन कितना अंदर की तरफ जा रहा है. व्हाइल ब्रीदिंग आउट, इनहेल करते वक्त आपका चेस्ट कम से कम 2.5 इंच एक्सपैंड होना चाहिए, लाइक दिस. So practice this 15 times. Next, deep inhale, exhale by your mouth. So you can do this practice by keeping Namaskar Mudra in front of your head. Inhale, expand your chest, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. So you can practice this 10 rounds. Now moving on to next. Your both the hands forward. Inhale, expand your chest as far as it is comfortable, synchronizing with your breathing. Exhale, come back. Inhale, exhale. You can either breathe out from your nose or your mouth. Inhale, exhale, inhale. Make sure to expand your chest more as you can. Exhale, like this. You have to do this 10 times. Now moving on to head, a little bit warm up. So start doing towards left side, towards right side, towards left, towards right, towards left, towards right, so that we can sit straight without any movement while doing Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. Your head up, down, up, down. Do this 10 times and now your body is prepared. So we will start with the practice of Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. It is also called as alternate nostril breathing. So बहुत सारे वीडियोस आपने देखे होंगे जिसमें नाड़ी शोधन प्राणायाम बहुत बार बताया है. मेन मेरा पॉइंट है, कई बार क्या होता है हम लोग बहुत जल्दी इनहेल करते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू डू दिस, वी हैव टू मेक दिस मुद्रा, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज प्रणव मुद्रा. एंड नाउ अपना राइट नॉस्ट्रिल बंद करेंगे. हमारा हाथ इस तरीके से नहीं जाएगा, हमारा हाथ एल्बो चेस्ट की तरफ टच होगा. अपना राइट नॉस्ट्रिल बंद और इनहेल फ्रॉम योर लेफ्ट, exhale from your right. Inhale from your right, exhale from your left. सब लोगों को पता ही होगा कि नाड़ी शोधन प्राणायाम क्या होता है. देखिए क्या होता है, जब भी हम ब्रीद इन करते हैं या ब्रीद आउट करते हैं तो मेक श्योर जब हम इनहेल करें तब हमारा चेस्ट ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा एक्सपैंड हो. अगर हमारा चेस्ट ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा एक्सपैंड होगा तभी हमारी नाड़ियों का शुद्धि होगा. बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है कि हम अपनी ब्रीदिंग पर कंट्रोल रखकर जितनी लंबी हम इनहेलेशन करेंगे उतना हमें फायदा होगा. सो मेक श्योर योर इनहेलेशन शुड बी वेरी लॉन्ग एंड योर एक्सहेलेशन शुड बी कंप्लीट. एंड सेकेंडली यू हैव टू मेंटेन द रेशियो ऑफ 1:2 व्हाइल डूइंग इनहेलेशन एंड एक्सहेलेशन. इनहेल करते वक्त हमारा रेशियो होना चाहिए 1, एक्सहेल करते वक्त 2. यानी अगर हम 5 की गिनती में इनहेल कर रहे हैं तो 10 की गिनती में हमें एक्सहेलेशन करना है. अगर 10 की गिनती में हम इनहेलेशन कर रहे हैं तो 20 की गिनती तक हमें एक्सहेलेशन करना है. लेकिन जिनको हाई बीपी की प्रॉब्लम है, जिनको प्रेगनेंसी की प्रॉब्लम है, लेस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन कंटेंट है बॉडी में, तो उनके लिए ये बिल्कुल नहीं है. दे हैव टू रेशियो मेंटेन द रेशियो ऑफ 1:1, दैट इज 5:5. सो इट्स रियली वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू डू इन अ प्रॉपर वे विद अ करेक्ट पोजीशन. और अगर आप सीधा बैठ के करेंगे तो आपकी बॉडी पर बहुत ज्यादा इफेक्ट आएगा. आपको मेडिटेटिव पोज के सारे लाभ मिल ही रहे हैं, साथ में आपका बॉडी एकदम स्ट्रेट रहेगा, चेस्ट ज्यादा से ज्यादा एक्सपेंड करना है. और उसके बाद इस तरीके से ना करते हुए इस तरीके से आपका जो एल्बो है वो टच होगा अपने चेस्ट पर, स्पाइन सीधी. Now like this and inhale, deep inhalation. ध्यान रखना है इतना धीरे होना चाहिए कि अगर हमारे पास में एक कॉटन भी पड़ी रहे, हमारे नाक के पास एक कॉटन भी पड़ी रहे, वो भी ना हिले. It should be that slow, that smooth. So I'll just do one round for you. You just see अपना right nostril बंद, inhale from your left. Exhale. Again inhale. Exhale. ये हुआ एक राउंड. बहुत जल्दी जल्दी नहीं करना है, बहुत आराम से करना है, धीरे करना है. इनहेल करते वक्त आपका चेस्ट पर ध्यान होना चाहिए कि आपका चेस्ट कितना एक्सपैंड हो रहा है, कम से कम 2.5 इंच एक्सपैंड होना चाहिए. एक्सहेल करते वक्त आपको आपका पूरा ध्यान अपने एब्डोमेन पर रखना है. सेकेंडली, इनहेल करते वक्त आप ये सोचेंगे कि आप इस ब्रह्मांड की सारी पॉजिटिविटी अपने अंदर ले रहे हैं. और एक्सहेल करते वक्त आप सोचेंगे कि आप अपने अंदर की जितनी भी नेगेटिविटी है वो बाहर कर रहे हैं. इस तरीके से करेंगे नाड़ी शुद्धि प्राणायाम का अभ्यास कम से कम 11 राउंड्स, तभी आपको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बेनिफिट्स होगा और दिन में 2 बार. सो नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू नेक्स्ट, वी हैव डन आवर हेड मूवमेंट्स एंड यू कैन डू योर हेड मूवमेंट्स आफ्टरवर्ड्स ऑल्सो. बट इफ यू फील सम स्टिफनेस if you're in your head, in your shoulder after waking up, so you can do these exercises. Now moving on to next, अपने दोनों हाथ रखेंगे अपने shoulders पर. Now inhale up. You have to synchronize your exercises with your breathing. Exhale down. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Do this 10 times and now both the elbows in front. Inhale. Expand your chest. Exhale. Come back. Inhale. Exhale. Do this 10 times. We will do anti-clockwise and clockwise. Start. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Do this 10 times. Again, anti-clockwise from backward to forward. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Do this 10 times and come back. Now, about your spinal cord. जब हम उठते हैं तो हमारी स्पाइनल कॉर्ड जो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा स्टिफ रहती है. वी आर नॉट एबल टू मूव, वी आर नॉट एबल टू बैंड, वी आर नॉट एबल टू बैंड बैकवर्ड्स ऑल्सो. सो अब हम लोग क्या करेंगे, अपना लेफ्ट हैंड रखेंगे अपने राइट नी पर. इनहेल. Again, synchronizing breathing with your exercise is really very important. अपना right hand सामने, exhale and twist towards your right side. अब twist करते टाइम आप इस तरीके से bend नहीं होंगे, आपकी spine सीधी होगी. Exhale and back. जितना ज्यादा जा सकते हैं उतना ज्यादा जाइए, जितना जा रहे हैं उससे थोड़ा सा ज्यादा जाने का प्रयास. होल्ड करेंगे इस पोजीशन पर 10 सेकंड के लिए. अब अपना राइट हैंड रखेंगे लेफ्ट नी पर. इनहेल, रेज योर लेफ्ट हैंड अप. एक्सहेल एंड ट्विस्ट टुवर्ड्स योर लेफ्ट साइड and come back, holding for 10 seconds and come back. Make sure in final position your breathing should be normal. आपकी breathing को आपको किसी भी कीमत पे रोकना नहीं है. Now next, just release your asan. Now our body is prepared. Now we are going to prepare our legs for every asan. So put the legs in front. I really hope that I am able to make you understand everything and आप मुझे अच्छे से देख पा रहे हैं. अपने दोनों हाथ पीछे, both the legs together. Now we are going to do some leg exercises. Start stretching. 1, 2, 3. We will do this 10 times. We have to give the full stretch, not like this. This is for nothing. So we have to stretch in front towards ourselves. In front, just take time and take holding of 2 seconds each. Like this. And now towards right side, towards left side.
towards right. Make sure that your whole leg is engaged in this. If you will do it in a proper way, you will see that your whole thigh, hamstrings, calf muscles is engaged and getting affected. So towards right and towards left. Do this couple of rounds and then rotation. 1, 2, very slowly. 3, 4, 5. You have to do this 10 times. Now anti-clockwise. Again we have to do the same but very nicely and properly so that it can affect your body. Like this. So do this 10 times. So just bend your right leg like this, make finger lock, and you have to keep on your thigh. Keeping your spine straight, your spine should not tilt back. It should be straight. Try to keep it straight. Now again synchronizing with your breathing. Inhale, exhale, inhale. This gives you very good effect on your knee. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Do this 10 times and then inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale, exhale. जब आपका पैर ऊपर होगा तब एकदम स्ट्रेट करने की कोशिश और नीचे होगा तो fold. Inhale up, exhale down. Do this clockwise 10 times and anti-clockwise. 1, come back, 2. जब आप अच्छी तरीके से करेंगे, जब आपका पैर ऊपर होगा तो you will feel a little sound in your knee. 4 and make sure to do it in a proper way. We will do this 10 times each. Now fold your left leg in the same manner. Just make finger lock on your thigh. And then again it's synchronizing with your breathing. Inhale, exhale, inhale 2, exhale 2, inhale 3. I'm not touching the floor. Exhale 3, 4 and so on. So in the same manner, inhale up, exhale down, inhale 2, exhale 2, inhale 3. You have to do this 10 times clockwise and anti-clockwise like this. जब आपका पैर ऊपर आएगा तब आपका पूरा नी जो है वो स्ट्रेट होगा, नीचे आएंगे तो फोल्ड like this. So after doing 10 times, just relax in Dandasana. अपने दोनों हाथ पीछे, relax. Now moving on to other asana. So just turn in a yogic manner at your place. So this is your first position, both the legs together, both the hands on side of your buttock, and your shoulder relax, your body complete relax. Now inhale, bring your both the knees towards your chest, very gently. Now your both the hands on your knees. Now again inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Make sure that your knee is coming more towards your chest as far as it is comfortable. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. Make sure that your knees are folded. Exhale. So you are not supposed to do like this. We are not doing like this. Where our knees are folded, we have to do like this. Inhale, while coming closer. Exhale, far. Inhale and exhale. Now doing this 15 times. At least you should do 15 times. And then again both the hands on your knee only and small tilt towards right side, towards your left side. Make sure not to raise your lower back. Right side, left side. Very gently. Right side, left side. Right side, left side, right side. So you have to do this 10 times each. Now after this, just keep your both the legs like this. Relax. Take a deep breath in. Now again, both the knees like this and start. We will be going to rotate our legs like this in a circular movement. 1, 2, 3. Do this 10 times and do this anti-clockwise. 1. We are giving the guidance to our hip, to our thigh, because they are moving in a circular movement and semicircular movement like this. So you have to do this 10 times each. after doing this, keep your knee down, your legs down, and like this. So, we are going forward towards Surya Pushpamasana, that is sunflower pose. So, both your hands up, inhale up, and your knee down towards the right side and left side. Now, inhale, exhale, back. Inhale up, exhale, down. Inhale up, exhale, down. Inhale up, exhale, down. So you just do this 15 times. After coming from this position, again both the knees towards your chest and both the legs join with each other and start with this movement. One leg is moving clockwise and other is moving anti-clockwise. But make sure to bring your knees more close to your chest. 3. Do this 10 times and 10 times anti-clockwise like this. We have to do this also. 1, 2. This is the exercise which is used for easing out. If you feel some pain in your thigh and not the chronic pain, you should not do any exercises, but you should do in front of only your yoga teacher, experts, or some guidance only like this. So we have to do this 10 times each. That is total is 20 times. So just do that. Okay. And now both the legs straight. Both the hands on side of your buttock. Now moving on to other asana. So just make finger lock of your both the palms like this and keep it under your head. Now fold your both the legs and move towards your right side. Just move your knees towards right side and your head towards left side. Hold in this position for 10 seconds. This is amazing for your spinal cord. If you have any problem in your spine, you can do this. But under the guidance, hold on in this position. Your breathing should be normal. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. In the same manner, both the knees are moving towards left side and your head towards right side. Hold in this position. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Again, you have to move this again, the same process towards right side and your head towards left side, holding in this position. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. And now your knee towards left side and your head towards right side, holding in this position. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back and relax. Just relax, take a deep breath in. After every asana, if you feel some tiredness, so just relaxing Dandasana, spreading your in Shavasana, spreading your leg, both the hands facing towards sky and relax. And now moving on to legs, both the legs together, both the hands on side of your buttock. Now inhale, raise your leg up and fold your leg, bring your knee towards your chest, make finger lock, and you just make sure to start always with your right leg. So just press your chest, your knee towards your chest very nicely. Inhale, raise your head up and place your chin on your knee and hold in this position for at least 10 seconds. Let your internal organs get pressurized with your thigh and just hold on for at least minimum 10 seconds. And if you want the proper benefit of it, just hold for 30 seconds. Exhale, synchronizing with your breathing and come back. Now, in the same manner, we are going to do with the left leg. Just fold your left leg, inhale. Now make finger lock, press it very nicely. Exhale and out like this. Holding in this position at least for 10 seconds. And minimum is 10, maximum is at least 30, 40, 50. And come back, exhaling. Now, we are going to do with both the legs together. Inhale. Exhale. And hold your breath. You have to retain your breath in this position. And just press your knee as much as you can. And your chin in between your knees. This is called as Pavan Muktasana. It is also called as wind relieving pose. It is amazing for relieving your constipation problem, indigestion, gas trouble if your holding is more than 1 minute. So make sure this minimum holding, if you want the proper benefits of this asana, so your minimum benefit should be 30 seconds and maximum should be 1 minute or 1.5 minutes, whatever it feels. Again, your head down, your leg down and very gently relax. Just Relax after every asana for few seconds, for few breaths. Now, moving on to the counter pose of this. So, both the legs together, both the hands on side of your buttock. Now, fold your leg like this. Hold your ankles. Now, inhale and raise your buttock up. Your buttock up, your waist up, and hold in this position for at least 20 seconds. This is the counter pose of what we have done so far. Exhale after holding for 20 seconds, come back. You have both the legs straight, just relax. Now, both the legs together in a yogic manner, just turn your body and lie on your abdomen. That means you have to take your prone pose with the first position, both the legs together, both the hands on side of your buttock, your chin on the floor. So this is your first position in prone pose. So we are going to do some asanas which is very good for your back muscles, back pain, and for your sciatica problems, but you are not supposed to perform in any of the pain when it is already there. You have to do every asana in front of your teacher or guidance. So both the hands forward, just stretch your arms, both the legs together. So inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. We will do this 20 times or at least 15 times. After doing this, just relax in Makarasana. So relax in Makarasana means you have to spread your legs like this, keeping your feet like this, and deep inhalation, deep exhalation. And it is impossible for you to do it, then you can lie down in this asana, expanding your chest and breathing very nicely. After every asana, it is very, very important to calm yourself so that your next asana should be very nicely performed. You can get the proper benefits of next asana. Make sure that your whole body is relaxed after performing any asana. Don't strain yourself. Just go beyond your limits. Just make sure. Now come back, both the legs together. Again, just turn your body in a yogic manner. Now, moving on to next. So both the legs together, both the hands on side of your buttock. So we are moving towards the practice of Uttan Padasana. It is really amazing asana for your strengthening of leg muscles, and if you want to really don't feel some tiredness if you stand prolonged. So it is an amazing asana. So what are we supposed to do is we are supposed to inhale and raise your both the legs up in 30-degree angle. After holding there for 5 seconds, just go to 45-degree angle. So what is 45-degree angle? It is called as Uttan Padasana. Uttan Padasana हमें कैसे पता चलेगा कि this is our Uttan Padasana और ये Uttan Padasana नहीं है? हमारे जब पैर के अंगूठे हमें दिखने लग जाते हैं तो that is called as Uttan Padasana. तो आप देख सकते हैं कि हमारे पैर के अंगूठे दिख रहे हैं. हमारे shoulders relax, our body relax, and just relax. Make sure that your legs are stretched, your knees should not bend, and just feel very relaxed. You will get the maximum benefit of this asana if you hold for at least 45 seconds. Make sure that your shoulders are relaxed and your breathing is normal. Your legs are stretched, and if you want the more benefits, then press your toes towards yourself so that you can get very intensive effect on your calf muscles. Relax. 30 and on floor. So it seems that it is very easy, but it is actually very tough. It is not, holding for 40 seconds is a very hard nut to crack. So what to do? अपने दोनों पैर मिलाएंगे, अपना सिर्फ राइट लेग ऊपर उठाइए. 30 and 45. Do this for at least 10 seconds, फिर उसके बाद 10 सेकेंड्स की होल्डिंग के बाद हम आएंगे वापस, उठाएंगे अपना लेफ्ट लेग ऊपर 30 एंड देन टू 45। हमेशा याद रखिए, हमेशा हमें स्टेप बाय स्टेप आना है। स्टेप बाय स्टेप कैसे, एकदम से नहीं आना है ऊपर, हमें पहले 30 एंड देन 45 सीढ़ी चढ़ते हुए जाना है, एक साथ 2 सीढ़ी नहीं चढ़नी है। अब उसके बाद में हम एक एक पैर से करेंगे। वी विल डू दिस फॉर 10 डेज और या 5 डेज, और उसके बाद आप ट्राई कीजिए, जस्ट डू दिस 30 45 फॉर एटलीस्ट 5 सेकेंड्स। 5 सेकेंड्स कीजिए, 3 सेकेंड्स कीजिए, लेकिन मेक श्योर कि आपके लेग स्ट्रेट हो। इस तरीके से करने का कोई फायदा नहीं है, आपके लेग्स एकदम स्ट्रेट होने चाहिए। हो सकता है थोड़ा सा कंपन हो, वाइब्रेशन हो स्टार्टिंग में, कोई बात नहीं। 3 सेकेंड्स की होल्डिंग देंगे, मेकिंग योर विल पावर स्ट्रॉन्ग, एंड देन वी विल कम बैक 30 एंड ऑन फ्लोर रिलैक्स। This is amazing for your abdomen muscles, for your strengthening of the leg, hamstrings, and the purification of your blood. Amazing for varicose vein problem. Relax. Now, moving on to next, both the legs together, both the hands on side of your buttock. Now, inhale, raise your right leg up. See, I am raising both the legs together, but I'll tell you how to do it. Inhale, 30-degree angle, then go to 45. I have told you this asana. 45-degree angle is Uttan Padasana. Then 60, and finally to 90. अब 90 पर आने के बाद अपने दोनों टोज को अपनी तरफ प्रेस करेंगे। Make sure that your legs are straight from your knees. It should not be like this. Your shoulders are relaxed. Your breathing should be normal. So this is Ardhalasana. That is 90-degree angle pose. It is amazing for again the strengthening of your leg. If you have varicose vein, so if you will do with the support of wall also, it is very beneficial, because इसमें हमारा सारा stagnant blood जो है वो यहाँ ऊपर की तरफ आ जाता है, और जब हम अपनी फाइनल पोजीशन में आ जाते हैं तो उसके बाद में हमारा प्योर ब्लड पूरी बॉडी में सर्कुलेट होने लगता है, like this. But make sure not to bend your knees, and if you want you can take the support of the wall also. So after holding there for 30 seconds, come back. 60, 45, 30, on floor, relax. So, जिनका नहीं होता है, क्योंकि जब आप योगा स्टार्ट करते हैं तो बहुत मुश्किल से होते हैं ये सब आसन। तो देखिए क्या करना है, अपने दोनों पैर मिलाना है, दोनों हाथ साइड में, गर्दन सीधी, नजरें सामने। अब उसके बाद में आप उठाएंगे सिर्फ अपना राइट लेग ऊपर 30, होल्ड देयर फॉर 5 सेकेंड्स, 45, होल्ड देयर फॉर 10 सेकेंड्स, 60, होल्ड देयर फॉर 10 सेकेंड्स, एंड 90 पर आने के बाद टोस को अपनी तरफ प्रेस कीजिए। चेक कीजिए कि आपके नीचे वाला पैर, ऊपर वाला पैर स्ट्रेट है या नहीं। घुटने से क्षमता अनुसार होल्ड करने के बाद धीरे से आएंगे वापस। डू दिस विद बोथ द लेग्स, एंड देन आई हैव टोल्ड यू दैट धीरे धीरे स्टार्ट कीजिए होल्डिंग करना। पहले 3 सेकेंड्स, फिर 4 सेकेंड्स, फिर 5, एंड सो ऑन। मेक श्योर टू बी रेगुलर। अगर आप रेगुलर नहीं करेंगे तो आपकी होल्डिंग बिल्कुल इंप्रूव नहीं होगी और बॉडी पर भी कोई इफेक्ट नहीं आएगा। रिलैक्स। Moving on to next, अपने दोनों पैर मिलाएंगे। अब now turn your body in a yogic manner. Lie on your abdomen in your prone pose. Both the legs together, both the hands on side of your buttock. So this is the first position in your prone pose. So we are going to make Shalbhasana, that is locust pose. Make infist of your palms and place them under your thigh. Your chin on the floor. Inhale, raise your right leg up and hold in this position for 10 seconds. Exhale, come back. Inhale, raise your left leg up, hold in this position for 10 seconds, exhale and back. It's okay, अगर आपका पैर ज़्यादा नहीं उठ रहा है तो आप अपनी मुट्ठी से प्रेस कीजिए अपने पैर को ऊपर की तरफ, थोड़ा सा उठेगा, that is okay। बस हमें अपने थाइस को उठाने हैं। जितना हम अपने थाइस को उठाएंगे उतना हमारा लंबर का जो रीजन है वो अंदर की तरफ जाएगा। अंदर की तरफ जाएगा तो हमारी किडनीज की फंक्शनिंग जो है वो प्रॉपर होती है। अब हम करेंगे शलभासन का अभ्यास अपने दोनों हाथ से, अपने दोनों पैरों से एक साथ, अपने दोनों हाथों की मुट्ठी बना के रखेंगे अपने थाइस के नीचे। नाउ इनहेल, रेज योर बोथ द लेग्स अप इन 30 डिग्री एंगल और 45। अगेन मेक श्योर दैट योर नीज आर स्ट्रेट, योर थाइज आर अप। इस पोजीशन में आपका सारा इफेक्ट आपकी किडनीज पर आता है, आपकी बैक पर आता है। And relax. Come back. And again expand your chest and relax in Makarasana. After relaxing for a few seconds,
both the legs together, and again turn your body. Again, both the legs together, both the hands on side of your buttocks. Now, we are going to perform the practice of Navtasana, that is the boat pose. So, in this, again the whole body should be straight, both the legs together, both the hands on side of your buttock. Now, inhale, raise your upper body, lower body up, at least in 30 seconds. Exhale, come back, very gradually, very gently. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Just do this 10 times, and if you are like in a habit of doing this, so you can do like this, 1, 2 and 3. Inhale, raise your upper body, lower body up, and make sure that in final position your body seems to be like a boat shape. Your whole weight is on your buttock. Your blood circulation, complete blood circulation is on your abdomen. It is affecting your core muscles, your gut cells, and if you will remain in this position daily for 1 minute, you will definitely lose your belly fat, improves your concentration, improves the strengthening in your leg, in your shoulder. Just do this for at least 30 seconds, and after holding it much, come back and relax. Expanding your chest, just relax completely. Feeling the warmth in your body, feeling the blessings of God, that your body is doing amazing. You are able to do everything. Just relax. Now, I'll just show you some of these asanas that is very benefit in sitting also. So turn your body in a yogic manner and sit like this with your legs outstretched. So both the legs together, both the hands on side of your buttock like this. So this is your first position in sitting asanas. And now just fold your right leg and make sure to keep your right feet just beside your left knee. And your left hand, I'm just telling you the easy version of Vakrasana. Your left hand on your right knee, your right hand at the back, keeping your spine straight. Inhale and again exhale, twist towards your right side. Keeping your shoulder, chin aligned and moving more and more towards right side. After holding for 10 seconds, come back. Make sure to keep your breathing normal in final position. You are not supposed to stop your breathing in any of the posture. So, this asana really alleviates all the spinal disorders. If you do it in a correct posture with proper alignment and holding your right hand on your left knee, your left hand at the back, inhale, exhale and twist towards your left side. Your shoulder and chin should be aligned, holding in this position. And come back after 10 seconds. And relax in Dandasana. Take a deep breath in, relax. Now, moving on to next. The time is getting, time is running. Okay, now both the legs together. Now we are going to sit in Vajrasana. Right leg under right buttock, left leg under left buttock. I just wanted to show you every asana that is really very beneficial for you. So I will be just quick. So keeping your spine straight, chest expanded and gently close your eyes. So we are proceeding towards the Brahm Mudra. Your head, just move your head towards right side. Very, very slowly. It should not be like this. This is wrong, okay? You have to move your head towards right side. Very, very slowly and smoothly. Press your chin towards right side. Holding in this position for 5 seconds. Coming back. Very, very slowly and move your head towards left side. In a very slow motion, as if your head is going towards left side by its own. Just press your chin towards left side, holding in this position for 5 seconds and come back very, very slowly and smoothly. Now your head up. Make sure to keep your shoulders straight, spine straight. Your head is moving up, hang your head. Make sure to keep your shoulders straight, not like this. You have to check your position whether your shoulder straight or not, and just hang your head. And if you have some double chin problem, so you can open your mouth. Do this 10 times and very, very slowly come back. Keep your head down, keeping your spine straight. Your spine should not tilt forward. Make sure to keep your position in a correct way. And your head, just try to touch your chin with the gluteus, holding in this position. And you will feel, if you will do it nicely, you will feel the stretch on your lower back part of lower back part also, and your back part of the neck also. So hold here for 5 seconds and then come back very, very slowly in a slow motion. And now put the hands on side of your shoulder, take them up, make finger lock, stretch it very nicely. Very, very nicely, as if you're touching the ceiling. Just stretch your body up, and up, and get down. And relax. You will feel amazing after this, if you're doing in a proper manner. Now, let's come back. Now, just release your asana, both the legs in front. And now moving on to very, very important asana, that is called as Trikonasana. So you have to do like this. You have to spread your, you have to make V shape of your legs and keep your ankles on side of your mat. This is an amazing distance that you can, cover up. Your left hand on your right knee. Inhale, raise your right hand up. Exhale and twist towards your right side. Go beyond your measures. If you are doing like this, just go 0.001%, exceed your limit. And hold on this position for 10 seconds. You can repeat this. Your right hand on your left knee. Inhale, raise your left hand up. Exhale and twist towards your left side. Make sure to repeat this. Your left hand again on your right. Right hand up and exhale like this. Right hand on your left. Now do like this. So, इस आसन से क्या होता है? इस आसन से जब भी हम पीछे की तरफ जाते हैं, जब ट्विस्टिंग करते हैं, तब हमारे स्पाइनल नर्व की ब्लड सर्कुलेशन प्रॉपर होती है और आपको जितने भी स्पाइनल डिसऑर्डर्स रहते हैं आपके नेक में, इट्स कॉल्ड एज सर्वाइकल, थोरेसिक, लंबर, सैक्रल या फिर बैक में कोई भी प्रॉब्लम होती है, इस आसन से 101% सॉल्व होती है. लेकिन अगर एक साइड प्रॉब्लम हो तो आपको इस गाइडेंस की किसी के गाइडेंस से ही करना पड़ेगा, अदरवाइज आपकी प्रॉब्लम बढ़ सकती है. अब धीरे से उठेंगे अपनी प्लेस पे, सो दैट आई कैन शो यू सम स्टैंडिंग आसन्स आल्सो. सो आफ्टर रिलैक्सिंग both the legs together, both the hands on side of your shoulder buttocks, and now we are moving towards the practice of Ardha Chakrasana. Your right hand up, turn up, inhale, exhale and twist towards your left side. You have to bend towards your left side, holding in this position and coming back after holding. Make sure that your upper hand should be not, it should not be bended. Now start. Inhale, raise your left leg, hand up, turn up, and now bend towards your right side. Make sure to keep your hands straight and slide your right hand down. Holding in this position, this is amazing asana for reducing your side fat also if you will do with holding. Make sure to keep a proper hold in every asana. So after holding for 10 seconds, you can exceed your limit by 20 also, it will give you more effect. So moving on to the next, this is called as Dvibhuj Kati asana. You have to keep shoulder distance width between both the feet. Now both the arms up. Both the arms up, maintaining the same distance, move towards your right side and your face in front. Let me just, so that you can see properly. See, this is the position. So, shoulder distance width between both the feet, both the arms up, maintaining the same distance, move towards your right side and your head in front. You are not supposed to do like this and then bring your head forward. No, this is wrong. So both the hands like this, maintaining the same distance, move towards your right side and your head in front. Press your chin forward, holding in this position. Make sure not to increase the gap or decrease the gap. The gap should be same between both the arms. Holding in this position for 10 seconds, coming back. Just stretch your palms and now again moving towards left side and your head in center. Come back. You can repeat this. This is amazing for your spinal cord again. This is an amazing asana for your cervical, spine, lumbar, lower back, hip. So you can do it twice.
So we can do it one more time so that I can show you properly, because it's really very important to keep the proper posture and alignment. अपने दोनों हाथ सामने सेम डिस्टेंस मेंटेन करते हुए, यानी सेम दूरी मेंटेन करते हुए ले जाएंगे अपने हाथों को राइट की तरफ और आपका फेस होगा सामने. मेक श्योर आपके जो पैर हैं वो इस तरीके से मूव ना हो. आपके पैर की पिंडलियां आगे की तरफ ही रहेंगी. एंड मूव टुवर्ड्स योर राइट साइड. अगेन होल्डिंग देयर फॉर 10 seconds. कम बैक, नॉट टू बेंड योर एल्बो एंड मूव टुवर्ड्स योर लेफ्ट साइड. इस तरीके से एल्बो बेंड नहीं होगा. दिस इज रॉन्ग. आपका एल्बो भले आप इतना ले जाएं लेकिन डिस्टेंस सेम होना चाहिए. एल्बो स्ट्रेट होना चाहिए लाइक दिस. एंड आफ्टर होल्डिंग कम बैक. अब अपने दोनों पैरों के बीच में गैप. अपने दोनों हाथ रखेंगे कमर पर. एंड नाउ ट्विस्ट टुवर्ड्स योर राइट साइड अलोंग विद योर हेड शोल्डर. एंड मेक श्योर टू प्रेस योर शोल्डर एंड योर chin towards right side while you are twisting towards right. And holding there for 10 seconds and now twist towards your left. I'm showing you very easy exercise to get relief for your spinal disorders and all your pains. Now relax. After doing this, just relax, take a deep breath in. And now moving on to the most important asana, that is called as Tadasana, that is palm tree pose. So both the shoulder distance width between both the feet, both the arms up. And now you have to raise your body up, make finger lock, stand on your toes, and stretch your arms as if you're touching the ceiling. Just hold in this position, stretch as much as it is possible for at least 10 seconds. You will feel intense stretch on your spinal cord, lower back, your calf, thigh, and every part. Amazing for the better blood circulation in your body. Those who have swelling problem in your legs, get cures also by this asana. So this was the end of asana. So just sit in any comfortable position and relax. Just relax your body. Make yourself feel comfortable. Relax. Surrender yourself. Let go the body tension free, distress free. Let the body to be still for some time. Let the body to be steady for some time. With the closed eyes, become aware of your each and every body part. Give them comfort. Give them relaxation. Relax your facial muscles, neck and throat, collars, right hand, left hand, upper back, chest, abdomen, pelvic, right leg, left leg, the whole body in front. Similar to front, go to the back of your head, shoulder blades, back of your right hand, left hand, upper back, lower back, buttocks, back of your thigh, knees, calves, heels, soles, and now the whole body. Be aware of your whole physical body and relax the body completely. Now start finding your breath in your body. Do not change or alter your breath. Simply become the observer of your breathing. As you inhale or exhale, notice the vitality that comes and deep relaxation happens with every breath that comes in and goes out. Notice the expansion and relaxation in your abdomen cavity.
externally you will feel that your whole body is like a rock. It is still maintaining firmness. But internally, your body, your chest, abdomen is moving up and down with every breath. And that gives you the feeling of getting vitalized more and more. Deep inhalation, and while inhaling, just think that you are not only inhaling the oxygen but also the all positive vibrations from the universe and giving it to your each and every body part. Exhale and think that you are not only exhaling the carbon dioxide from your body but also exhaling all the negativity, fear from your body. Do this couple of rounds. Just focus on deep inhalation, long exhalation. Deep inhalation, long exhalation. Just forget everything. Just stay with your body where you have to live. Be with your body for some time. Feel each and every body part, breath, all the blessings of God. Now mentally say to yourself that I am blessed. I am rested. I am healthy. I am filled with positive energy. And I rejoiced in what I have learned today. Thank you, God, for everything, for blessing me beyond measures. Now we are going to conclude our session by chanting Om and Om Shanti. Take a deep breath in and start. Inhale. Inhale. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Rub your hands faster, faster and more faster. Place them on your eyes and let your eyes absorb all the vitality from your palms. Give a beautiful massage to your face, shoulders, neck, throughout your body. Make a Namaskar Mudra in front of your head, thanking God for everything. Open your palms like a book, blink your eyes, keep a smile on your face, surrender yourself to God and have a nice day ahead. चलिए, I really hope that मेरा ये session आपको help करेगा. And if you want any further queries, you can contact me on my Facebook. And I would be really very thankful for Reiki Indore, for राजमाता अहिल्या योग केंद्र, जिन्होंने मुझे ये परमिशन दी और उन्होंने मुझे संपर्क किया कि मैं आके अपना सेशन दे सकूं एंड लोगों की मदद कर सकूं. अगर मैंने आपकी मदद की हो तो डू शेयर इट. थैंक यू सो मच. हैव अ गुड डे. बाय बाय.